Newborn Posing on Props private course. In this course, you will learn how to pose. Baby on props. What tricks are used? Photography technique. How to put baby on a bowl with the right technique. Posing in bed. The correct way to hold the baby. How to brief the parents. How to change diapers. How to change clothes. And how to calm the baby. All the details are necessary. Holding real baby is very challenging. Need to be extra careful. Look how cute he is. He was so calm that day. Capture with right angle. Calm. Baby calm. Just don't panic. When baby cries, don't take too long. Try another pose before he gets up. Try to pose him on your hands first before you put him on a couch. Take it easy. Don't worry. She will teach you how to pose the baby well. Just take your time. Nothing is instant. Learning and practice will make you greater. Good luck on your journey to become a great newborn photographer.